All right, the next stretch we're going to do is the adductors. The adductors are the muscles on the top half of the inner thigh used to pull your legs together. So in order to get these muscles, we're going to take the foam roller, line it up so it's the same direction as the spine. You're going to lay down so that we're halfway up the thigh and you're basically doing a plank coming forward. From right here, we slowly roll over there we go. Slowly roll over the roller until you get to the maximum amount of pressure. From right here, you're just going to hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Once the pain starts to go away, pull your toes, try to straighten your leg. And as soon as it comes back, pull your whole body downward so that this knee starts coming up towards your forehead. What you're doing is pulling the superficial muscles out of the way so you can get deeper into the hip flexor. And from here, you're going to swap it over to the other leg. Bring it up to 90 degrees. Do the exact same thing. Roll out until you get that max pressure. Hold this for about 15 to 20 seconds. Straighten the leg, bend it, and now bring yourself down. That's it.